Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. All right, can you react? Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Why? Is it because I have to keep going? Sorry about that, guys. And I lost my sub. Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh, wow. All right, let's see. Sorry about that, guys. All right. All right, now we guys. Sorry about that. I need to know that Stan gets over. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's see here. Sorry about that, guys. Otter Mountain. 40 wines. Sorry about that, guys. Let's. Sorry about that, guys. These are all names. These are all people. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, that's... All right, let's go. Sorry about that, guys. Wow, I did a horrible job collecting those helmets. Sorry about that, guys. The best you're getting is... Sorry about that, guys. Once again, this is all pretty bad. Sorry about that, guys. That's not too bad either. 5% stamina regen rate. Let's do it. No. Do they stack? Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Oh, nice.
Make you do something stupid.
Sorry about that, guys.
They do not leave GIM.
How many?
GI. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. That's right. You have to get in from the top. Sorry about that. Let's see. Oh, this must be the clothing shop that you... Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Wait, is this... Sorry about that, guys. Wait, are they not gonna let me work today? Great work. Good work, V. Denying the cult... I was drunk? What did I miss? What are you doing?